Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. So today I'm going to do a video. I've done this years ago, and somebody had asked about an at-home way to make a grungy kind of peeled paint look. And I thought, I'm going to do this again. So what you need is some petroleum jelly. I have the brand of Vaseline. And I can't find my credit card that I use, my gift card, so I have either this or a piece of cardboard. And what you do is, let's see, you take a little bit of your Vaseline, and I'm going to lightly, let's do up here, just like this. I'll just put it in different places so we can see. I'm not going to so much do like a pattern, but just so you can see. And you don't want like an overwhelming amount. You want to kind of like scrape it a little bit. You don't want it to be so thick that like, I'll do it that way too. Yeah, and that's it. And then when you have a little bit left, you just put a little bit on your lips. A little bit of, make your lips kissable. Okay, so that's what you do. Now this obviously is a background. It is dry. It's just, you know, whatever you have. And I'm going to take some black, shake it up, and maybe some red. I don't know. Let me do a little bit of black and a little bit, maybe I'll do some magenta. Okay. And then I'm going to take a brush. I'll take a medium-sized brush, but I mean, you know, whatever you have. And I'm going to go light to dark. So I'll go in the magenta first. And I hold it up here and I kind of just pull it down. And I'll just do it in a couple different places. You want it everywhere, just not on the Vaseline, but all over your paper. And yes, as you kind of pull it, it will, you know, push that Vaseline down a little bit. And now I'll go in with some black. And I'm just taking it over different sections. Okay. A little bit right there. Go whatever way you want. It's okay to go whatever way you want. Okay, so now I'm going to put that in my water. I'm going to set this aside, and I'm going to let this dry. And when I come back, I will show you some magic. Okay, so let's see what happens. So I'm going to take this, just any kind of plastic or cardboard. I'm going to scrape it to get that Vaseline off. So I'm scraping it that way, and you can see the goop that come off. Oh, the goop, 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 goop. All right. Take a paper towel and just take that, give it a wipe, turn it this way. Now remember, you can put this through a stencil. You can really just have fun and play. But what it does is it just resists. So you get like this really great looking like edges, and just, I mean, you can see all that's coming off. I wish I had a little harder thing. Don't know if this will work. Oh, my dog's trying to get on me. There we go. Just want to get all that off. Turn it this way. Okay. Again, so I don't go put my hands in everything. And you can see it's done. And, you know, these are just look like blobs right now. But like I said, you can just do whatever you want. And it really just gives a nice technique of resisting whatever is underneath of it. So it'll, you know, it'll guard that, and then you paint on top, and you can see I had paint everywhere and it just didn't go on those parts. So it's a lot of fun. It's a Vaseline resist. You know, I'm always about showing things that we have at home that you can play with. This is in my art journal, and it's not going to hurt anything because you're taking the Vaseline off. So, you know, it's just going to give you a really great technique. So I hope you guys play around with this and that you enjoy this. Again, use stencils. You can do a stamp and put it on a stamp and stamp it down and then paint over it and then take it off. I mean, really, you could really have a lot of fun for, I mean, you can go to the dollar store and get this petroleum jelly. So I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you enjoyed it. And as always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. I love you guys so very much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.